It is just machine, guys. The machine. All right, father, run on, son. Father, run on, son, and in there. Oh, oh, I see him thing they call cherry picker. This machine is awesome, bro. And then somebody asked another question. When you go that far out on the limbs, you're not scared it tilt over or so?
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? Ever Blessed Family TV is back at you again.
While the Akino, baby, the aisle upon the shelf. Do not burn up yourself. Yo, I am a foodie, and I'm.
Yes, you're have a blessing family. Like, subscribe, and share.
My people, my ever blessed people, it's a spiritual Sunday. Stay tuned and watch what go on. So it is just machine, guys. The machine. See? This machine is wow. Wow. I'm just showing off this machine, guys, and these workmen are called the yard master. Look at this machine, guys. Look at this machine. Machine is fun. Very efficient machine. See that? So guys, they cut and they clean. So guys, to the ground. Big up. Yard master. One yard master, guys. So avocado tree, guys. So cutting down, they're cleaning up. Nice avocado tree. Now this tree is gonna strive because that tree was shading all this time. Nice. Big up yourself, yard master. Big up yourself.
What's up?
Big up yourself. He's gonna cut that one. He's gonna remove those pieces. Is he gonna remove that? I think he should. Nice machine. Nice. Bad machine. Bad machine, this you man. Chan was. This machine is bad. Yes. Right there. Guys, I'm gonna be cutting a meat board. And the yard master, I go do that. Meat board. Pick up yourself, the G. 1 yard master. See it there. Meat ready for chop. So this is, guys, this is a skid steer. And what that one is called?
What is it called?
Yeah, what that machine is called?
It's a nifty lift.
Nifty lift.
Yep.
Guys, have you ever heard of that machine? It is called a nifty lift. Machine bad. Look at it, guys. Look how the machine bad. Look how the machine bad. If we are one of this yard, we not tell them the whole place. See, guys. Tampa, Florida. Produce. Nifty lift. So, guys, this machine can go all the way up in these trees. And it is Yard Master is a family-owned company, guys. 1 yard master. Yeah. That's called a grapper, right? And the machine is called a skid steer. Yes. All right. Show you in deal with it here now. Pick it up nicely. But take up everything one time, you know, guys. Everything must take up one time, you know. Grapper. See him go over him. Take up everything gone in a claw. In a hand, one piece left, me G. Oh, you see the piece there. This piece is small, guys, so you fall out time finger, you know. That is it. That is it. I never shown how to load on the truck. One thing, guys. This is how it load it on the truck. This is how it load it on the truck, guys. That is it. See, guys. So these guys are well equipped. They come with a flatbed, they come with a skid steer. They had bad machine, and this is the one that transport them here. See, guys. So this, when they're ready, they're going to drive it up onto this. On this flatbed, going to carry all of them two machines there. See how him set up? And then name Yard Master. See, guys, this is how you find them. Check them out now. Give them some work. When you give them a call, please, guys, tell them that you have seen them on Ever Blessed Family channel. That's the mail truck, guys. And ever blessed people. As excited as I was with this guy here, cutting down trees with all these machines. Him operate every one of them, from that to that to that, and he operate in hand them too. And ever blessed people. One yard master. That's it. That's the company, guys, and it's a family company. Give yourself a shout out, bro. Express yourself in what you do and where you're located.
Hey guys, my name's Franco. The company name is Yard Master. We're located in Riverview, Florida, which is a city outside of Tampa, just right outside of it. We've been in business for 25 years or so. My father's been doing this way before I was.
Wow.
We do tree work, tree removal, stump grinding, landscaping, sod irrigation. Basically, the whole 9 yards when it comes to yard work. Just not lawn maintenance, but everything else. I've been doing this my whole life. This is what I grew up doing.
Yes.
I love it. Just not in the summer. It's brutal.
Yes.
Hot.
Yes.
But yeah, I mean, that's all I know.
Yes. And guys, when I don't have to do the explaining as to how this guy is flexible. You can watch the video to the full, guys, and you see how he operate. And as I said before, I will show it to you, it's a family company. It is called
Yard Master.
Yard Master, family owned and protected.
Family owned and operated.
Family owned and operate. And the machine, where the machine name again, Meji? Where the machine name again?
It's called a nifty lift.
Nifty lift. And they use a grapper. And they Bobcat?
Bobcat. Yeah.
This is not a skid steer?
That's another name for it.
Okay, well, I know it as a skid steer. But this machine is bad.
They call this also another name for this is called cherry picker.
Cherry picker.
That's an old name.
Oh,
But
I see something they call cherry picker. This machine is awesome, bro.
Yeah.
And then somebody asked another question. When you go that far out on the limbs, you're not scared it tilt over or so?
Yeah.
Yo, you guys.
You know, I've been scared of heights my whole life. The tree work's just different. You know,
Yeah.
I was born and raised into it.
Yes.
But yeah, anything can happen. But when you're up there, there's nothing you can do. So
Right.
just get the job done.
Yeah, give my people a number in which they can reach if they all them right there for what they want to do in that place.
All right. So I got my numbers, Franco 727-277-8723, and then my father is Frank 813-446-9952.
Oh, yo, man, I'm gonna ask of you guys to take your time. I'm gonna also, guys, I'm gonna put the phone number in the link of this video.
Okay.
So you go if you speak the numbers a bit too fast, look in the description below. It's gonna be there, and it is Ever Blessed and Yard Master. Big up yourself, my G. See, guys, look at him. Knows what he does. Big up. Ever Blessed people. See that? So, guys, if you have one of them Pharisees anywhere in your place and you want to tear down, you see the man there? And him is the man for the job there. See that, guys? Him can tear down that flat. You never know what tree did deny it. Because them say them are the master for tree. Ever Blessed people. Big up yourself, my G. I'll show you them number, guys. Show you them number. See the man there. You see him? So if him talk it too fast, him not talk now. Guys, as I continue to work, trying to keep up with these two youngsters here. These guys are going to the play field. These guys are training to be basketball players, trying to be fit enough for NBA. The tall one look like he reach the target already in the same tall. Guys, they are walking on the cycleway. I'm on the driveway. Come careful, come knock me out right now. But right there, guys, is where they're going to play. And is this part of the journey look familiar to you guys? Might be. But Florida continued to impress me as I walk to the play field. The beauty, guys. Here, there, and everywhere. Nice homes. Where them signs up me here for? This crossing something here? In Chinatown? Them tree something there is to show that there's a bump there? Oh, I was just imagining. But some people always forget that they are there. Crossing over. We go into the play field, guys. Go watch them bunks to ball, huh? Not for any long period of time, but that's a little lake. Water is kind of discolored. Hey, and these birds, I see these birds can eat. They are baby ducks, different kind of ducks from the regular ducks that you know. And never bless is walking. And in the distance here, guys, I see 3 dogs. Hey, don't let them hit me. Hey, what are their names? Can I have them on camera? Can I show them on camera? Can I show them on camera?
Yeah.
Yay. What's the name of this one? Hey, why is it like that?
I don't know.
Hey, 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 why you doing me that? Hey, he's warm, he's hot. Guys, look at him. he's just going. See, guys. He's just going. He's just, well, I wonder what the dog was saying. Where you come from? Where you come from? Where you come from? I wonder for that to me that say. I should have said Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. And see where my and you would reply. I should have replied to in Jamaica. Yes. Obviously me are trespassing in place. I'm not in place me come. So guys, journey with me as we go to the playfield. Riverview Park. That is it. Riverview in Tampa, guys, is a very big place. If you don't mind, you have every street that you go up and just a Riverview mark on there. Yes, we go through this nice gate here. Yeah. These guys are going here after the kids, guys. Not gonna spend much time with these guys here. But they have the mulch, all this, the mulches here, guys. Oh, they don't want when the kids fall, they get damage, eh? The mulch. See, guys? They put mulch on the ground just to protect their children. Oh, it's a nice walk to this park. But it's nice. Nice tree. It's another walk tree, guys. These walk tree in this area is very nice. Guys, I'm at the Riverview Park, where these guys are training for the NBA. And guys, that's a father and son. And that's 2 cousins down there. Those guys are with me. And then, whoa, no. All right, youngster, fear time now. Run. Oh, you get back up. Hey, guys, whoa. Hey, bless people. I'm sitting here in this park, enjoying these youngsters run around and throw ball in the in there. All right, that is it. That's another play field here, guys. That's another one. But that's a different game. I might be that era they play football and all of that. So that's the father and son. I mean, I know how I win. Just come and enjoy myself and watch them. All right. So, guys, Tampa, Florida, it is. Hey, that was cool, youth. That was cool. In there, too low. One get grow a little taller. So, guys, as I sit here and relax for a little bit, guys, I just want to tell you guys that I appreciate you always. So, guys, this earlier on in the video, I shown you where this guys were cutting trees, and this time you see youngsters playing basketball. How nice it is! How nice it is! So, guys, I'm gonna take a walk. I was tired because I did a long walk from there, and this morning I did some long walks. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna stand right here and see who I go throw a ball in there so straight out. Me see what I go on. Me not sure them, I just want to see ball I go in there. All right, father, run on, son. Father, run on, son, and in there. See that, see that. All right, let's see what I go on, and we see father go run on, son again. All right, ball up and who, ball up and hey, run, son, no father, run, son, run. Guys, yeah. I'm anticipating the ball in this hoop here. And he's in the here and he missed. All right. Hey! That was on camera, sir. Big up yourself. Look for yourself on Ever Bless Family TV. Ever Bless Family TV, straight out of Jamaica, see? Big up yourself. All right. Let me see what them youngsters are going with you now. Ball pan hoop. Hey! All right. Let me go watch the one here. Let me see where them two youngsters are going with. Baller. Remember that two ball in my head, you know? Let me see what I go on. Hey, out! Let's see what I go on now from the youngster there. In there! Oh, you know it was going in. Yeah. Hey, I run this ball there. So, guys. So, there you go now. Let me see what I go on now. Hey! Yeah, you were tall enough, you could take you could do that all day. Okay. Hey, I'm playing basketball. In there. Too short. In there, Jonathan. In there, Jonathan. Right in there. All right. Never bless people. Enough of that. I'm gonna walk down to this here, guys, and show you the business. That means it look like, say, a peak hours in this. My ever blessed people. Thank you. Thank you for what? Thank you for staying in tune with Ever Blessed family. And this video, guys, will come to an end from Riverview Park Playground. Ever Blessed is saying, so long, and I, Ever Blessed, will see you in the next video with the ball in the hoop. That is it. That is it. That is it.